Hello, today we will talk about the 7 steps of machine learning. We will understand the 7 steps of machine learning. The step 1 is gathering the data. The step 2 is preparing the data. Step 3 is choosing a model. Step 4 is training the data. Step 5 is evaluation of the data. Step 6 is hyperparameter tuning. And finally, you need to do the predictions. In the first step, as you observe, we gather the data from various resources. The resources may involve so many websites, the resources may involve Excel sheets, CSV files, etc. etc. So then the next and crucial step is preparation of the data. In the data preparation, we will be making the data ready to use. Then we will be going for choosing the model option. So here choosing the model requires the understanding of algorithms. Understanding of the algorithms. So we'll talk more about algorithms. So then the next thing is training part. So we will be training the data. Then we will be doing the evaluation. So evaluation is like how your model is going to perform on the data. Then hyperparameter tuning, making your model the best. Then finally we are going to do the prediction. So how the things work, how the model works on the real data.